Tentang segalanya. Bilang na. Ngam. Kamu hai cunong suang.
Thank you so much, Elevate Fire, for such a beautiful performance. You've given me goosebumps. And you said, Vinchero, 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 which means I will win, I will win, I will win. I believe this is the spirit that the athletes will take from today.
Our dignitaries and our Chief Minister, we will now begin the felicitation ceremony. We would firstly like to felicitate our Chief Guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangha.
Baik Pak Borok kam kadak yang gajing pediam borok yakni ki wahe ki yong I ku em agani ka stage kani ka por jing le borok ya u Chief Minister wa borok yong I Shri Conrad K. Sangha.
Thank you very much, girls.